How to get honeycomb in Minecraft. So first what you want to do is just find a bee nest like this. So you need to find a bee nest that has full of honey like that. So that yellow thingy right there on the hose, which should be like that. And make sure that you have a campfire ready so that if you shear the bee nest, the bees won't get angry since of course if you break the nest, they will just go out and basically attack you. So just put a campfire below it. So just right there. And now go get the shear. Then just right click on the bee nest. Just like that, you have the honeycomb. That's basically it. Now once you have the honeycomb, you of course you'll extract the honey out of it. And that's how you basically get honeycomb in Minecraft.